It's a quick hair tutorial or whatever. I already pre-parted it last night because I know this was going to take some time in the morning. And I didn't want to waste no time. Let's do this real fast. I'm going to put my hair into a sweep to no bun. And I'm using water-based gel. This should be real easy to do, right? I think it'll be best if you wet your hair first. But since this is, for me, since this is already water-based gel, I just rub that in. And my hair should be pretty much combed out. One down, another one to go. I advise you to brush from the back and come to the front. Like start from the back and brush your way up. This might not work for everybody here, but this is what worked for me. could basically put everything in one. So you wouldn't have to part your hair in sections, you know? You're gonna look small, but it don't matter. You can leave it out or you can put it in. I want to leave it out because I ain't got time for all of that. Looking even. Now you want to take your favorite edge control and do your edges. You don't have to do it. You can just leave it just like this, clean. But I want to do mine. Because why not? This one not gonna stay, but this is the one I have right now. Softy. It's not gonna stay all day, but it's gonna stay for this video. Dang. And we're all